Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to see the power of enabling the live captions in Teams. As you all know, guys, like we use Teams on day-to-day basis for having a calls with it may be with our peers or with maybe with our leads or managers or clients, whomever it may be. Yeah, if we are getting distracted by the other chat, for example, if we are getting distracted with the other chats or some other things like accent, like not able to understand what they are speaking. So that time, a beautiful option that is available in Teams of enabling the live captions. So let's see, how are we going to enable that in Teams? It's all about you know, uh, like uh, I mean, once the call is started, like all you need to do is like turn on the live captions. So once that live caption is turned on, you are going to get this chats like this with the name what they are speaking exactly, and then if and you know it will be keep on updating. Like once the people are speaking, it will be keep on updating, and automatically it will go down. So you can read it once you are not comfortable with the accent or something like that. And that's all guys for this video. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and don't forget to put your comments after using this feature. Thank you very much guys. Take care.